Cooking up trouble, unraveling, cook someone's goose. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, cook someone's goose. This phrase is rich in imagery and history, and understanding it can add flavor to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it effectively. When we say someone is about to cook someone's goose, we're not talking about preparing a meal. Instead, this idiom means to cause someone's ruin or downfall, to ensure someone's failure, or to put an end to someone's plans or ambitions. It's often used in situations where someone is about to face consequences for their actions or when their defeat is imminent. The phrase, cook someone's goose, has a colorful history. While its exact origins are a bit murky, it's believed to have medieval roots. One popular theory suggests that it comes from historical events where the burning of a goose symbolized the destruction of an enemy's chances of victory. Over time, this literal action turned into a figurative expression used to describe decisive defeat or spoiling someone's chances. Using cook someone's goose in conversation can add a playful or serious tone, depending on the context. Here are a few examples. In a competitive setting, with that move, he's definitely cooked his opponent's goose. In everyday situations, if you don't study for your exams, you're just cooking your own goose. To signal inevitable consequences, he thinks he can get away with cheating. But soon enough, someone's going to cook his goose. Remember, this idiom is best used in informal contexts. It's a colorful way to express the concept of ensuring someone's defeat or failure. English is full of idioms with similar meanings to cook someone's goose. Some of these include seal someone's fate, spell the end for, and put the nail in the coffin. While each of these expressions has its own nuance, they all convey the idea of causing someone's downfall or ending something definitively. I hope this exploration of cook someone's goose has been enlightening and entertaining. Idioms like these enrich our language, adding color and depth to our conversations. Remember, understanding the nuances of English phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and expressiveness. Thanks for watching, and happy learning! Feel free to experiment with this idiom in your own conversations, but remember to gauge the appropriateness based on the situation and the company you're in. Keep practicing, and you'll cook up impressive English skills in no time.